In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradu in Tradingview. To start, open your browser and head over to the Tradingview website. You can simply type the address into the URL bar and hit enter. Make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account before you continue. If you're not logged in, go ahead and sign in so that your settings and connections can be saved properly. Once you're on the main Tradingview page, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's advanced charting area, and it's where you'll be able to link your broker and place trades directly from the chart. Click on Supercharts and it will open up a full charting workspace in a new view or tab. When the chart is open, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You should see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. This panel is where Tradingview lists all the available brokers and trading services that you can connect to. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel to expand it. If it's minimized, this will slide it up and show you the different connection options. By default, Tradingview might show only a few popular brokers. To see the full list of supported connections, look for the option that says Show All Brokers. Click on that so you can see every broker that Tradingview currently supports. This is important because Tradu might not appear in the default shortlist. After you've opened the full list, you'll see a search bar within the trading panel. Click into that search bar and type Tradu. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list in real time. Once Tradu appears in the results, you're in the right place to set up the connection. Now, click on Tradu from the list. Tradingview will prompt you to connect your account. At this stage, you'll usually be redirected to a secure login window or authorization page provided by Tradu. Follow the on-screen instructions there to sign in and approve the connection. Take your time to review any permissions or terms that appear, just to make sure you're comfortable with what's being shared between Tradingview and your broker. Once the authorization is complete, Tradingview should confirm that Tradu is connected. You'll now be able to place trades, manage positions, and see your account details directly through the trading panel while using your trading.